Today is very special day for me because this is day 7 of my continuously English speaking practice. This may not sound like a big number, but believe me, this is strong beginning for me. Let me be very honest with you. I did not become fluent. I'm not perfect right now. I'm still making mistakes, but somewhere something has been changed. I can feel it. I can realize it. So actually earlier I used to stay silent, but now I'm trying to speak a lot. I used to hesitate a lot, but now I'm speaking in front of you right now. In the beginning I was afraid of making mistakes, whereas now I accept all the mistakes. So actually consistency makes you perfect whatever you want to do. If you want to dry a pond, a full of water pond with a bucket, it sounds like a impossible, but if you do it consistently, continuously, you will definitely do it. So consistency can help you in achieve every goal, whatever you want to do. So let me share with you what I've learned in these 7 days and how did I improve my English speaking. How did I change my mentality for speaking? So first of all, I just realized that I should be consistent because it matters. Actually, in the beginning, I was thinking that I should become perfect in grammar and vocabulary. Then I should try to speak. But soon I realized no. First of all, I have to speak, then these things will automatically will grow up. Right now, actually, I had only few knowledge of speaking. I knew tenses and models and nothing else. So I was afraid in speaking public, and I was afraid in making sentence because I was translating everything. And I realized that I cannot change my mentality until I start speaking. So I changed my approach. I did not wait to become perfect. I started speaking. So now I'm able to speak in front of you right now. Then secondly, I realized then that simple English matters. More in the beginning, I thought that I needed difficult words to become fluent. It was making me confused. I was not able to become fluent. Even whatever I knew, I was not able to speak that. Then I watched a video. In that video, a girl, she was speaking very simple English and she was speaking fluently. Every point that she want to tell, I can get it very easily. So then I realized if I want to share my ideas, if I want to express my thoughts, I can use simple English only. It gave me confidence. It built confidence in myself. Now I can speak in public. Yes, I accept that in the beginning I started speak alone. I chose a place where I can feel comfortable and I can speak freely, but gradually I started speaking in public also. So these two methods, these really very will help you. If you start continuously speaking, you will realize, you will find your mistakes, you will accept that these mistakes, then you will try to get a solution. Once you get a solution, then again you find one more mistake, you will do the same process. So speaking part, this will really very help you to improvement, and simple English will help you to build the confidence in speaking in public.